Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to cut these two circles and paste jute fabric. Similar way, we are going to add some sticks around it like this. Cover it from the top as well using this beautiful flower fabric. Now using this jute rope, we are going to braid all the stick together like this. Bend all the green wire sticks like this and start braiding it like this. Give it a shape of basket and cut the extra wire using a cutter and make the handle as well. Cover the green stick like we're doing here using this jute rope and paste it using hot glue gun and put it at the center of the basket like we are doing here. Add more details like this beautiful lace. We're also adding pearls and more decoration at the center like this. Put all the pearls and look, your beautiful basket is ready. We're going to cover it further for the handle part as well. Cut the extra jute rope and look, your beautiful basket is ready. We are going to remove some thread using this jute fabric. Fold it using hot glue gun. We are going to make beautiful flowers out of it. So roll it around this green stick. Place the hot glue gun simultaneously. Similar way, we are going to cut these flower petals and paste it around it like we are doing here, and paste leaves as well on the top of the green stick. Cover it from its bottom part as well. Now we are going to cut the leaves for the flowers. So cut these beautiful heart-shaped leaves and paste this wire at the center. Similar way, we are adding more texture, so paste more thread around the leaves and look how pretty this is looking. Similar way, we are going to cover the green stick as well and cover the stick like this. Roll it and paste this leaves on the top of the stick using hot glue gun. Off the petals using a stick and look, your flower is ready. Let's use this empty basket. We are going to cover it using jute fabric and green sticks. We are making a beautiful flower vase. So use this jute rope and braid it like we are doing here. Bend the green sticks as well and cover it using jute rope. Cut the extra part and paste lace for more decoration. Paste handle and look, it's ready. First, we are going to roll the jute rope around 3 fingers and make a loop like this, and repeat the same process, and we are going to roll it around fingers. Cut the extra part, put it at the hole like this, remove it, and look, your beautiful design is ready. From the back side, we are going to paste it using hot glue gun and tuck the extra part inside like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to add a beautiful pearl and bead at the center, and look, it's ready. Make 2 such shapes, and using this jute rope we are going to add more designs like this. Now we are going to braid more jute rope at the center part like we are doing here. So roll the jute rope around the center part using hot glue gun. Roll it over and over again like this, and look, your beautiful handle is ready. You can use it for flower vase and so many other things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please